Well, hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is your stay-at-home grandmom, and I have the F-A-I-G-A, F-A-I-V-A. So I guess it's FAIGAFAIVA. It's a fishing, for the fishing rod. And I got this from my husband. Okay. I don't fish anymore. I eat the fish. And it's zero momentum, and it doesn't have a lot of information on it. But the information that it has on it, I can't read it. So says control is so simple, zero based. You can no rhythm. You can pumping, stop. Okay, I don't know what that means, but anybody who fishes, I'm sure does. I'm gonna take it out and show it to you. Doesn't know I have it. So his birthday's coming up in about 7 days. So and mine's coming up in 31. I know you know that. This is it right here. So it looks like a fish. Here's this little mouth opening right there. And it's got the little hooks on it. So let me see if you can see those hooks, because I don't want to get my fingers stuck in it. So I'm going to give this to him with other things, and I wrote him a card. I mean what do you call it? A credit card, but it's for a gift or anything like that he might want, and he can buy some fishing things because he goes fishing April. So, if you like this, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section, and I will put comments in the comment section as well. I was just trying to see if there's anything else written on it. But, yeah, anyway, all in the comment section. I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.